Abnormal noise or vibration in water-cooled chillers signals underlying issues needing quick checks. Loose parts, such as compressor mounts, fan blades, or pipe clamps, often cause rattling. Tightening or replacing these fasteners resolves the problem. Worn compressor bearings lead to high-pitched squealing or grinding, requiring immediate lubrication or bearing replacement to avoid motor damage. Imbalanced water flow, from clogged pipes or faulty pumps, creates humming, vibration. Flushing lines or repairing pumps restores steady flow. Air trapped in the refrigerant circuit causes gurgling. Bleed air following the manufacturer's steps. Uneven installation bases also trigger vibration. Level the chiller to stabilize it. Timely fixes prevent component wear and keep the chiller running efficiently.